Today's videos I will discuss the basic key ideas of your topics. That is some other animals that is actually categorized on their eating, or means they are taking only the plant, they are taking their animals together, both animals and plants. Only they are taking the animals, and there are sometimes some plants and means organisms are based on their other parts, other organisms. So according this we can classify animals on the basis of their feeding and habits, may be derived in their fourth categories. One is herbivores, second is carnivores, and third is omnivores, and the fourth is parasites. So one by one I will discuss these things. So first of all, herbivores. Herbivores are those the only the eating the plant, that is actually your herbivores, like your rabbit, grasshoppers. So these are the examples of the herbivores. That means they are taking only the plants. And carnivores, those are eating only the animals, like your tiger. Okay, so these are the example of carnivores, only eating the other animals. Okay, so these are the categories of the carnivores. And omnivores means they are eating both plants and animals, because human being is the example of the omnivores. And the parasites means derive the nutrition from the other organisms by the living on them. Okay, so these are the example of the means example, or you can say that these are other categories of the animals on the basis of their feeding habits. Okay, so this is again important topics also. Parasites, short questions may become this part: parasites, omnivores, carnivores, and the herbivores. Okay. So now your work is you go through this whole topic, and you just not remember so much, only the examples is needed, and which category it belongs, it is most important. Only true false type questions, short question, MCQ type questions, fill in the blanks. This is most important for your class as well as your competitive exam also. So you study in this way, such a way your competitive part as well as your class also be covered in such a way. So both these two parts has been benefited. Okay, so next time I will just solve the questions papers on your exercise part, and you just focus on the text part as well as the exercise part, only the short type answers. Okay, thank you.